Hello, welcome to our channel. In this video I am going to talk about freelancing marketplace, which is Fiverr. Fiverr is a platform where you can contact with different buyers, and also you can sell your services on it. Like if you are a social media marketer, you will sell your services here. If you are a SEO expert, you will sell your services on it. I will tell you how you can use it. Okay, it's a seller dashboard of Fiverr. First of all, you will log in your account with Google or Facebook. Then it will show you add picture here. Okay, add your picture here, country name, and then we go to gig, create gig. First of all, we will create gig. I will do gig title, gig category, and keywords. I will show you. I have created a gig already on it. How I created it. Okay, see, I have created this gig. I have choose different metadata, services type. It's a social media management and different keywords, and then I will continue it. Industry is, it should be any industry. It's not a depend on industry, should be okay. It will be a prices, where we will show our packages. It's a basic package, standard package, and premium package. Okay, then I will add our description, like who I am, how many experience I have in my field. Okay, like this I have added this, and then requirements, what requirements from client should be, and then I will add some pictures on it, like this. I have a social media marketing related pictures, and if you have a portfolio, you can add portfolio here. If you have a video, you can also add video here. Okay, and then you will save and continue. It's published. Okay, now I will show you where is it. It's a dashboard. It's a my business, orders, buy request, gigs, earnings, Fiverr. I will check gig here. It's in draft. Okay, because I have not verified any number on it. I will scale my business, contacts, and analytics, how many people have seen. It's the most